Hello, good morning, students. How are you today? I hope you are feeling good. Okay, so today teacher Jona will going to teach you about farm animals. Okay, so what can you see? So there's a lot of animals. Okay, can you tell me what animals are there? Okay, we have sheep, we have horse, we have cat, we have pig, we have goat, we have hen, and the other one is a cow. Okay, so today we're going to learn the sounds of the farm animals. Okay, let me show you this and tell me what animals that make these sounds. Okay, ready? Let's start and play.
What's in the window, can you see? Boys and girls, come and look with me. Let's all look together so we know what's in the window. Ready, let's go. I wonder what's in the red window. Let's take a look.
Okay, so what animal is that?
Do you know what it is?
Animal is that? Okay,
It's a cow. What's in the window, can you see? Boys and girls, come and look with me. Let's take a look in the blue window. I wonder what it is. It's a cat. What's in the window, can you see? Boys and girls, come and look with me. Let's try the yellow window. What is it? It's a dog. What's in the window, can you see? Boys and girls, come and look with me. Let's take a look in the green window. Do you know what it is? It's a duck. What's in the window, can you see? Boys and girls, come and look with me. Let's look in the purple window. What is it? It's a donkey. What's in the window, can you see? Boys and girls, come and look with me. Let's take a look in the orange window. What is it? It's a sheep. Looking in the window, there's lots to see. Thank you everybody for helping me. Thank you everybody, now we know what's in the window, it's time to go.
Okay, so these are the farm animals. Okay, this is a pig. The pig says oink, oink, oink. Okay, the sound says oink, oink, oink. Next is a duck. Duck says quack, 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 quack. Okay, that's the sound of a duck. Next is a horse. What is the sound of a horse? The horse says nee, nee, nee. Okay, horse says that. Next is a sheep. Sheep says ba, ba. Okay, that is the sound of a sheep. Next is a cow. A cow says moo, moo. Okay. Cow says moo. Okay, next is a hen. What's the sound of a hen? Okay, the hen says cluck, 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 cluck. Okay, good job. That is a hen. Okay, next is a cat. A cat says meow, meow, meow. Okay, that is a cat. And this is a dog. The dog says woof, 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 woof. Okay. Woof says, the dog says woof. Okay. Can you guess what animal says? Moo. Moo. Okay. Can you hear what animal is that? Let me hear you. Okay, that is a cow. Okay, a cow says moo, moo. Okay. Next, what animal says oink, oink? What animal says oink, oink? Okay, what animal is it? Is it a cat? Is it a sheep? Or is it a pig? Okay, that is pig. Pig says oink, oink. Next, what animal says woof, 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 woof? Is it a cat? No. Is it a horse? No, it's a dog. Okay, a dog says woof, woof. Okay, good job. Next, let's have. Okay, what animal says? Okay, is it a hen? No. Is it a horse? No, it's a duck. Okay, a duck says quack, 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 quack. Okay, and lastly, we have, okay, no more. Okay, so that's all. That is a farm animals. Farm animals that we can find in the farm. Okay, animals that we can find in the farm is we have dog, cat, horse, hen, what else? Sheep. Okay, so that is the farm animals. Okay, so that's all, everybody. Goodbye.